But for this year, what I try to do is to get more people in the reaction them, like give people more like what you don't call it. It's like what me and Yawdie did do. Or we did do a reaction and him coming in.
Yeah,
and that he say more for do for this year. To just make a little different, make people see the other man them out there too. I come in a reaction. Maybe artists. We reach out to a couple artists already and ridiculous money them money I charge me. I say, Jano, amount of followers me have more than them. Like
bro,
big artists. A man tell me say, well I know. Brother, a man gonna tell me say $3,000. Right? I mean I got like artist. The man say $3,000 for like what? A 2-minute reaction video. Like Jano. I mean, yeah, a artist and thing, but I said Jano.
You see if him this smart, him would make a 3-4 video with you and make sure say him plug where him need for plug. Because I wouldn't say rare. Because you are fans of these artists. And me guarantee you say you would have make more than $3,000 per streaming.
But apparently
them not smart.
Apparently because they know who me is.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people know who me is. Me have much followers, this, that. Me is a rich, me rich.
Money will ruin relationships, bro, before it even builds. Then
Google me and see some this much money me I make. Then I know if Google right or wrong. So now they must say, yo, this year I have to go spend on me. But look into it. I mean, that's what they're worth. I'm not saying bad, but sometimes you have to look into it. Like, you can get something out of it too. You make it seem like me alone, you can get something out of it. I get lots of views too. You make it seem like, say, he's just a little man with 10 followers or I go do something and you not get nothing out of it. You know what I mean? But I don't mind if me have to pay, me have to pay. But my basically I say is some of them money them for just create the thing a different way, dog. And stop look upon it like everything for them is like you know, everything for them is
bro for me believe in creating relationships before me even see if it's like it's a business, a corporation, spend your butters. But see if it's like another influencer, help me help you.
Exactly.
Because some of your people never see me yet and some of my people never see you yet. If we go so boom now, merge a thing
together,
everybody can eat a food together.
Yeah.
Easy. Yeah. So some of them, bro, them so dumb. Cause them do certain things with you. Yo, me a shoot a video in Canada in a Yawdie. You can't pass through. Yawdie nah go say no.
Exactly. Why you think even white Yawdie, anything you man do, but they're around the car, you know, Western everybody. Them
and
them
good
show
youth.
me love.
Yep.
You know what I mean? But never ask them for no cheddar for nothing yet. You know what I mean? Nothing.
You have to create relationships.
I support them things.
Yeah.
And the man them if I ask something, you know, simple, then we dead there and, you know, provide and help out too at the same time.
Bro, I saw it for my brother. Saw it for
yeah.
me see there's too much hungry people online, man.
For this year, I can get some more people in my reaction them just to give the fans them, or not say fans, the people them out there.
I mean, at this point, they are fans at this point.
A little give people them something different to see, you know, like your poppy in a reaction and thing, and people them say and that's it.
Yeah.
So that's a vibe for this year.
That is good. That
know
is
what I mean?
good. Hey, and I'm not gonna lie to you, brother. I'm just curious to see where you go forward with. You see, you go forward with your own cooking show too.
Yes, more to do that. Exactly.
I want to see that because I feel like that.
Yes.
I gotta be the next blood clot level.
Brother,
I swear.
I'm not lying. I come like to the social media. I'm learn to do it and how much profile I go through. Come like Mr. Beast. I feel like I know what. I'm not gonna size up myself with the general still, cause I know.
But it's good too.
I feel like I know so much with the social media. I forgot start that show and thing, but it can get out there. Cause just like when I tell you, it's just like when I tell you. A lot of people them make the videos them and put certain thing in there to be catchy, and that's how the views. You see it? People don't know that. Sometimes me say something in my video to make it look like me an idiot.
Yeah.
But me just say it.
Same thing with me in my skits.
Just say it.
You mispronounce words.
Yeah.
You're going like you're an idiot. These things are just to make people gravitate to you and laugh. A lot of them don't.
It's entertainment. We can delete it. We cannot post it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Like, why would I put this out?
Yeah,
and say something stupid. I did it.
Yeah, exactly.
On purpose.
You can't. A lot of people don't understand that. You see?
But it seems as if you totally figured out the fact. Well, it does seem you did figure out the fact because you have multiple TikTok. Would you say TikTok is your most popular platform right now? Because you have so many pages on that one.
TikTok, and like, well, in terms of followers, yeah, and little Instagram. I'm getting a lot of views on Instagram. I don't know, like, but this I will post the same video from TikTok to Instagram, and Instagram get more views. So me no know, and me have way more followers on Instagram.
Okay.
So for some reason, I feel like my views on TikTok kind of going down a little bit. But it's weird, bro. Me get 1 million views on a video on TikTok, I'm gonna post it on Instagram, maybe get 500,000.
Okay.
But when you but most of the video them I'm gonna post on Instagram from TikTok, most time them get more views on Instagram. So it's kind of weird. But I mean, them known me as I'm known as like a TikToker, you know, TikTok man. You see? I get lots of get views on YouTube
from. That's somebody me know you from. Because I just to them find out say you have more than 2. Cause I know 2 of your page them personally.
Yeah.
But when you say you have more than 2, I say, no man,
them damn reaction page you know about.
Play.
Yeah, them damn reaction page you know about too. You know
so the other one them are the
food
going on the streets and
yes,
the food.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And then, you know, obviously me have a business page too.
Okay.
Where nobody no know. But if
you can share if you want.
No man, if them really look into it, if them really want, them we see. It not hide.
Okay.
But
he's also a businessman, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. Me have the TikTok page feed too. Me they use it too.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But yeah. That's it. I feel like the formula, I kind of understand it.
Boy, I'm not like, I learn something from you today, bro. Might follow the blueprint because you're not going to be the only person that do something. I say I follow just the blueprint, but to have multiple pages makes sense.
Yeah. From the boy, them ban my page, I say, yo, them not do it again.
Yeah.
They say, me get mad and build 2 more.
Bro. I lose my first Instagram page, brother. I want to cry, brother. I say, I cry, but what? You finna make nothing stop you. You forward back bigger and better, bro.
And that me a pre-word yourself to get a new Instagram page. Yo, a 2 Facebook page me have to, you know. Everything.
Smart, yeah.
Me have 2 Instagram page, but one of them is like 6,000. It's like more personal.
Okay, that one they like
more
life.
Like more personal shit, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know, see, like, I go a certain party, me a post on that. You will never see me. So everything me do is like, everything what I do is for specific. Alright, say for instance, I go a birthday dinner, you now go see me post it on my Yawdie reaction.
Yeah,
page.
Makes sense.
You see it?
You don't want the personal life to be too much out there.
Reaction page, everything about food, everything about content. You know, 1-2 thing you might see me post in a city. That's it. You know what I mean? Food, page, everything about food, you know, I try to keep it. Keep everything like that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But I think somebody want to make another reaction Instagram page.
You know what I said to bro? Do you think you'd react to anything else? Or think food is your niche?
Brother, I react to everything. But you mostly, 99% time, a food.
A food. What else do you do?
Brother, I react to anything will look crazy, anything.
But that food
react to
really...
art. Sometimes I see them make some type of art where them where them splash up, splash up. Brother, what is this? Art that? Art that?
If it costs $1 million.
Exactly.
Yeah.
My first video where I get blow up on Instagram, I think 2 million views or 1 million views. It was something like that, or it was one of them art thing there, something like that. I react to anything, but keep in mind, you know, me I try to get the views them too.
Okay.
And people like to see silly things and see certain things. I'm not gonna react to everything, but I can.
Yeah.
Because I naturally, once it amuse me, because I might see a little clip, I may say, all right, I'm gonna react to this. I'm not watch a whole item. I might see the first 5 seconds, I mean, I say, yo, I react to this. And then, you see it, I put it on. Because I already know this is madness. People that make art. People, all type of things, bro.
Yeah.
All type of things, but I'm mostly food, I do. But I do react to, sorry, I forget to say that before. I do react to, if you check my page, I react to all sorts of things.
Okay. You know what? Bro, I've been seeing some of these weird ass fashion, like, weird ass brands. You review them too?
Like,
them people look homeless.
Balenciaga do all of this and all of that.
Yeah. What the blood clot this? Them people look homeless.
When I see it, sometimes I want to do it, but I have enough content where I don't need to do like other content. Like I see them a lot. They've been trending like I see where Balenciaga do one bag of foolishness. You see, I want to do it, but I don't know. But I can do it. I can react to it. That's the question. I can react to them things. But sometimes I not do it. Who me enjoy watching doing these stuff? Yawdie. You see, shout out to White Yawdie.
Big up White Yawdie.
I enjoy him doing all of these. I enjoy him doing that. I not enjoy watching him doing that.
Yeah.
That shit is funny with that shit. You see,
nice
I see him all react to like females. Last video I watched today, our butt. Man say our butt a drop off our body. Man say our body a drop off our body. You see? So, like, things like that, me can do it, but it's just, like, you know? And also, you have to, it's like, it all depends, brother. But me can react to anything.
Yeah.
You see?
That is it.
Anything. And I've done it too. You go through my page, you will see.
But
the food never just say, a food me I go react to. Just like that. Just like that. It came to a point where me I say, bombard. A 10 million food video, so 1,000 videos them talk about clothes, so. You know, then you know what? I react to more of them food thing. I have more content, but I still can do everything else.
Yeah.
I still can do everything else, and I've done it. So if I done 20 videos, react to 20 videos, out of the 20, probably like 2 are just ordinary shit, like some next shit. Okay. Mechanic. Sometimes the man them do some madness, like, yo, brother, what you do? Like, you know?
Look at them, I kill the car, not build the car.
Exactly. So, it's just like that, bro. But I'm mainly food. I'm going to do it because there's a lot.
Yeah, a lot of content out there.
Of food content.
They can just pick, choose, and refuse.
And also, my audience gets so used to this food thing. Just like you think that I only do food things. It make me just put out as much as I can, and once I see the food, I know that's what they want to see.
Yeah.
But I still get views on the other stuff. You know what I mean? But my audience want that, so I'm gonna give them that.
Makes sense,
man, you know what I mean?
Makes sense.
Yeah, dog.
But people, I'm not gonna lie, bro, it was a joy for you forward. Give thanks for your strength and your energy again, as me say. You understand? Me know, see you're busy.
Big up yourselves, brother.
You don't know
what I mean?
This has been another episode of the Imara Nation podcast, ladies and gentle G's. My name is Negusimara. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? Yawdie, tell them which part them can find you about G.
Well, yes. Google me.
Anyway,
yeah, man, you can Google me or Yawdie reaction on Instagram, Yawdie reaction on Facebook, Yawdie reaction on TikTok, Yawdie lifestyle on YouTube. It's so much. Wanna we find me. If you not find me, I put out more content and then I go see me on the For You page or on the Reels or, you know?
That is it.
And then when we see me.
People, well, there you have it. Make sure you like, comment, share, as me say. See?
Yeah,
up
man.
move.
Share the thing. Cheers.
Up.
Alright,
this song.
Yes. See the party, see the. I need a fat girl tonight for the party.
This episode was sponsored by Saka Saka. Unleash your inner beast.